Hello again, folks. Claytario here. Just wanted to show you one of the many major obstacles on the Mantario Trail. It's Caribou Lake east side, and you will need to traverse obstacles like this to safely get down and then come back up on the other side. Can it be done? Sure. Hundreds of people do it every year. I'm not going to do it virtually because I don't have a body mount cam and you need all of your limbs to do it. Just wanted to show you one of the obstacles you can look forward to. If you enjoy a good workout, take it slow and steady, and you will come out alive.